Hi, today is the first day of a bird hunt. I am Anirudh. He is the cameraman Dashna.
Hi.
And he is
Arpit. Hi. Let's come. You start from there.
Well, what?
Have you found any nest?
No. Not still.
Oh, Anirudh, look here. It's a nest.
What? Where?
There's a nest here.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I think it's twin sisters.
Twin sister?
Yeah.
How do you find that?
It's really very rare bird.
Okay.
I will check it out if there is an egg or not. No, there's no egg.
So it's not a good try here. I think it's abandoned.
Yeah, but I don't think so. We'll check it out after 2-3 days.
This is the day one of our adventure.
And there was such a disappointment.
Yeah. Let's search for someone else.
Yes, come on.
Okay. Let's search. Search if you can find something.
Take time. Take a good look of the tree. It can be at any other good tree. Find it. Quick. Our first is going to end. Quick.
You finding it?
No, not still.
Oh yeah. It can also be here.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. I got it. Yes, see, there's a nest. I will check it out if there's an egg or not. I don't think so.
I don't think there will be a nest here.
Yeah, there's no nest.
I will check on that side that if we find a nest. Come on.
Oh, come on. Find
These lines. We can find a.
You find here.
I don't need to go. So it will not need to.
No.
Not yet.
No, it's here.
Check, man. First day.
That's a disappointment.
Full of disappointment.
Yeah, there's a nest. Come on, what's the nest?
Whoa. Yeah.
It's a nest.
It's a nest. I think it's something.
Yeah, it's eggs. Let me see.
Eggs?
What? There are 3 eggs.
Oh.
3 eggs. Take it. Come on.
Whoa.
Come on, we're going to take
one out.
Whoa.
Oh,
Wow.
it's a bulbul's egg.